Did Alia Bhatt justify the role, guys? चलिए देख. Hello everyone, this is Emily. टेक टू. हेलो एवरीवन, दिस इज एमिली. क्या हाल है? सो गाइस, आज मैं एक ट्रेलर रिएक्शन करने जा रही हूँ. एक्चुअली टीजर रिएक्शन करने जा रही हूँ ऑन द टीजर ऑफ गंगूबाई Kathiawadi. Kathiawadi. Okay, and it's directed by Sanjay Leela Bansali. Oh my gosh, he is my favorite. And starring Alia Bhatt. Okay, which is going to release on 30th July. Okay, guys, I am. I'll be little like this is unbiased channel. Everything is there, but आलिया भट्ट की जो एक्टिंग स्किल है इज़ रियली 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 ऑसम. सो आई एम सुपर एक्साइटेड टू वॉच हाउ शी हैज़ एक्टेड ऑन दिस whole teaser. So super excited, and this is the first time I'm going to watch this teaser. So अगर आपने नहीं देखा and you're watching for the first time, so let's watch together. And it's been already a day since the teaser has launched, so I thought let's watch. So watching on my phone, and here I go. So let's watch together. The cover looks super amazing, so here we go. Let's watch.
कहते हैं कमाटीपुरा में कभी अमावस की रात नहीं होती, क्योंकि वहां गंगू रहती है.
गंगू चांद थी और चांद ही रहेगी. इज्जत से जीने का, किसी से डरने का नहीं. ना पुलिस से, ना एमएलए से, ना मंत्री से, ना भड़वों से, किसी के बाप से नहीं डरने का. जमीन पे बैठी बहुत अच्छी लग रही है तू. आदत डाल ले, क्योंकि तेरी कुर्सी तो गई. मैं गंगूबाई, प्रेसिडेंट कमाटीपुरा. कुमारी आपने छोड़ा नहीं और श्रीमती कभी किसी ने बनाया ही नहीं.
Okay, I'm a little speechless at this moment, and I really want to ask कि casting जिसने किया इस movie का, did they really do it correctly? Like, I really want to ask you guys, my viewers, my TFG fam, क्या आपको लगता है guys कि casting ठीक था इस movie के लिए? Like, I don't know, I'm a little confused right now at the moment, and I think the casting of the lead role, the role played by Alia Bhatt of Gangubai, I think, I don't know, the casting is a little off for me, and मुझे ऐसा लगता है, this is my personal opinion, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि I think someone else would have been better off. I'm not saying कि आलिया भट्ट को एक्टिंग नहीं आती या आलिया भट्ट इज़ नॉट गुड एनफ फॉर दिस रोल और समथिंग, बट मुझे लगा कि यू नो शी डिडंट वाइब विद दिस होल रोल. लाइक आई फाउंड इट, यू नो, उनमें से वो वाइब ही नहीं आया somehow or the other. Like I have not got that vibe honestly, and मुझे ऐसा लगता है, like personally I want to say कि I think प्रियंका चोपड़ा or I think Vidya Balan would have been good for this role, and I don't know, like I might be completely wrong for this, and but एक जो vibe आता है कि villain type का, and there is this गुंडा वाला vibe that comes on. I it has not, honestly it has not come from her, and पता नहीं कि मुझे अच्छा नहीं लगा. Like I didn't like the teaser. Like I was really expecting much more, because we are seeing her after quite a long time, and I don't know, like, okay. Like मेरा expectation high था, but it turned out to be something like this. And honestly guys, I will say कि someone like Priyanka Chopra would have done it more better off than better off than Alia Bhatt. So it's a thumbs down for me, and I would not like to rate this because I don't know what to rate honestly, because of the role and because of the character which has been played, I think half of the thing has been messed up, and half of the thing has been like, okay, it's not justified. It's not justified. So yeah, that's what I want to say. And yeah, I might be completely wrong. This is my honest review, and this is what I felt, and this is what I'm saying. But what did you feel about this whole teaser? Please do comment down below. I really want to know. Okay, so जो मुझे अच्छा लगा, the last dialogue कि किसी ने मुझे innocent नहीं छोड़ा, and किसी ने मुझे उनसे शादी भी नहीं की. So that that dialogue was really like, okay, swag. That dialogue was really awesome, and मुझे वो dialogue बहुत ही अच्छा लगा. And else than that, um, it's a Sanjay Leela Bhansali film, and there is this big cast, and everyone is there. So that speciality is always there, and but somehow I didn't find out to be that good, and I don't know, like मुझसे ये vibe नहीं हो रहा somehow. And I think and I believe कि someone would have done it better than Alia Bhatt. So that's what I felt. And yeah, so that's what guys, I honestly am like not liking myself right now because I'm saying this thing that is negative, but honestly, this is like what I really feel. And since it's an unbiased channel, that's what I'm keeping up to, and I'm being literally honestly. So that's what guys, so that's what I felt about this whole teaser. And if you like this video, please do give a thumbs up. Please do subscribe to my channel. I really need your support, and also share this video if you agree with me, and comment down below आपको क्या फील होता है about गंगूबाई, and if I'm right or wrong, अगर मैं correct हूँ या अगर like correct me if I'm wrong. And yeah, so that's what I wanted to say. That's what guys, and share this video if you agree with me. This is Niruja, that bad girl. Bye, have a great day. And yeah, little shattered, honestly little shattered, and I really expected a lot from this whole teaser, but okay, next time. But yeah, so it's going to, if you guys found it interesting, go to cinemas on 30th of July. Oh wow. So go to cinemas on 30th of July and watch the movie. So yeah, that's what I wanted to say. And stay safe guys. So yeah, this is Niruja, that bad girl. Bye, have a great day. Okay, always ये होता क्यों है वैसे, like why does it happen? It has to happen. Why?